Chris, how you doing?
Good. Good to meet you, Chris.
Yeah, glad you made your appointment on time. If you want, I'll pull the truck in and we'll meet you in the lobby.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks.
How life has been unfair to you, and from what I've seen, that might be true. But
How's everything going here?
Car's all done.
Right on. Okay, I'll let him know it's all finished. Yeah, Justin, car's all finished. Everything's good. You're all paid up, so have a great weekend.
Excellent. Thank you. That was fast. Thanks very much. You're welcome. Keys in the door?
Chris, what seems to be the problem?
I noticed some squeaking in my front brakes, so I took it to a local mechanic, and without even putting it on a hoist, he had said that it would take about 3 hours. So I wasn't really confident. That's why I'm here.
I will put it on the hoist and have a look. I'll let you know as soon as I find something.
Great, thank you.
Okay.
can you feel the energy?
Good news, Chris. There's nothing wrong. I inspected the brakes. I took a couple measurements. You have nothing to worry about. What you probably heard was some brake dust or possibly some rust that had formed overnight. Quite normal. Happens all the time.
Great, what do I owe you, Chris?
Nothing. We don't fix things that don't need fixing.
Chris, thank you so much for your honesty. I really appreciate that. I really need to get an oil change next month, so I'd like to book an appointment.
Not a problem.
Energy.